What's up, you guys? Here today at Reed Rig Customs or Reed Rig Garage, or this walking eviction notice. Break every rule available here. Today we are putting on a Hydra chip. Have I ever done it? Nope. Am I scared? Yep. But rule number one, act like you know what you're doing. And rule number two, never be scared. So, directions aren't really a thing with this, or with me in general. So, I got this old laptop over here from like 1984. And got the truck out there. Disconnect both batteries. I know most people don't disconnect their batteries, but I'm going to play it safe on this one because I don't know what I'm doing. All right, let's get to it. All right, guys, we got it out. Should have changed battery by the time I got it out, so I don't know how far I got. It wasn't overly difficult. Kind of getting the bolt out from the engine bay. That was kind of a task. That's your code, I believe. It just says XLE4. I think that is the tunes I need to put on. But before I do that, let's pull this thing out, pull it apart, and but there's all kinds of, see that? It's a 99, so what's that? 20 years of dust. It's looking pretty good. The deeper I dig into this truck, the messier it is. I don't think it's ever been tampered with. Still got the plug on the back, another good sign. And that matches. That's an XLE42. So this is where it gets scary. I don't know how this works. Well, let's figure it out. All right, so we got this little cover off, and in there, full of wax. That's a virgin PCM. That means I'm the first one to mess things up in this truck. All right, we got the chip back in. I was too excited. Oh, I see, I'm losing my mind. I need keys. Now, I'm gonna turn the key to the on position and see if we have any check engine lights. If we don't, that's a good sign. If we do, we messed something up somewhere. There's this guy walking his dog, and he looked at me weird for talking to myself. Alright, so let's get a good angle here. Wait to start. Went away. There's no lights. That looks normal. Should we start it? Oh, we did not break anything. She started. Let me go get the tunes list. Oh man, I was so scared. I was so scared this whole time. And I did good. That just proves, never doubt yourself. Now, I haven't drove her all day, so I'm gonna give her a little high idle. Warm her up. Let's see if this works. All right, no check engine lights, no nothing. We're on 2. But I think, oh yeah, that was high idle. Dropped her down to 1. That's factory stock. Whew. 1100 horsepower high idle. 65 horsepower daily driver. Let's see here. We're gonna go to 140 horsepower extreme just to get a little roll of cold clip, you know, because everyone hates it, but everyone still wants to do it every now and again. That is number 10. And I'm gonna put you guys back there because that was, I think she rolls coal now. Alright, I don't know if that clip worked or not. Terrified. Let's pick up all these tools real quick and then we're gonna go for a test drive. See how well she does. Alright, got the tools away. We got her in 3, that is 3 is 65 horsepower daily. You know, I was watching videos of Hydra before I got one, and I was like, who the hell needs a list of tunes? Well, while you're making the list of tunes, you're gonna be like, I need to write this down. It's not unreasonable. All right, we got no check engine lights. We got no failure to starts. We got the mirrors out. Let's see how she does. All right. Oh wow! You can already tell by the quickiness of the throttle. Let's see here. We're not going to go down to Mexico because I'm American and we live in Texas. We can do whatever we want down here. All right. Just right outside. Alright, so this is a 65 horsepower daily driver. So you got tune 3 here. Tune 3 on my list. Hold on. This whole video might be messed up. Tune 3 is a daily driver. 65 horsepower. I'll probably do a pass in daily driver 65 and performance 65, see the difference, and then do a pass on 140 just to see if it rolls cold the whole time we pass. Oh man, she feels good. Alright, there's this girl walking her dog. She looks pretty sketchy. She might steal my camera. Let's see. Alright, you guys, we successfully tuned the 7.3. And I didn't break nothing. And that's a plus, because normally I break a lot of stuff. 7.3, coming along great. Need to tint these, because those look nasty. I need to tint those windows. Tuned. That's pretty much it. I got like the ultimate work truck until I get a KC turbo and some hybrid injectors. Maybe some transmission mods so those don't blow up. And yeah, now it's time. I could just start working on Loretta over here, you know? Because ever since I got this, I have not done anything to this. I need to, I have a leveling kit for her in the garage. I just need to get some 35s. I mean, this thing got new wheels and tires before my brand new truck did. I don't know how a work truck takes priority over your nice new truck, but it did. Probably because it's a lot cheaper to build a 7.3 than a 6.7. Well, stay tuned for hold on, there we go. Alright, well, that's all we got for this one. Hit like and subscribe. Let me know if you like it down in the comments. Alright guys, that's it. That's all we got for this one. I was gonna do a freeway run, but it's 5 o'clock. Everyone's getting off of work right now and it's at a standstill. So I did 2 passes and 60 daily driver and 60 performance, and then this road started getting busy, so I didn't do the 140 pass. But she is looking good. She runs good now. She could actually move. You hit the throttle and it doesn't take a couple minutes anymore. You hit the throttle and she wants to get up and go now. I don't know what we got for the next video. I mean, got mods for the 636, so probably show her some love. Alright, hit like and subscribe. Alright, hit like and subscribe, and let me know down in the comments if you what you think of the videos. Alright guys, catch you on the next one. Thank you.